I had you that far.
Huh. Thought that was going to be right.
I'm going to try to come in and then it goes the other way at the hole, double breaker. I don't know what to tell you. Smitty's going to have to look at that a little. Coming down the hill, it's going, but then it gets in that valley and kicks it back to where Shelley's bowl is.
So aim to the right?
Yeah, right edge. On the right edge. Actually, right down your logo line's perfect. Oh, man.
That's nuts. Thing basically was straight. Take it the other way and double break.
Get it. Ah, I came up out of it. I still think there's a little bit left. It's
Come on, Brett, be our hero.
Trouble City.
Hardest putt in golf. Great.
Get there. That's it. Oh!
you know, that bug would have knocked it out anyway.
Yeah, if that bug would have been
That
on time,
bug-
it would have kicked it off.
It would have. It was right where you needed to be. That bug would have screwed us out of that anyway.
Beetle.
Dang!